The monsoon session of Parliament began on a stormy note on Monday, with the opposition demanding discussion on issues ranging from price rise to the Agnipath scheme. In the Rajya Sabha, Congress members trooped to the well of the House, raising slogans as soon as Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu read out the obituary references. Following ruckus, Naidu adjourned the House for the day. Meanwhile, Lok Sabha proceedings were adjourned for the day on Monday amid opposition uproar over the issue of price rise and Agnipath scheme. BJP member Rajendra Agarwal, who was in the chair, allowed laying of parliamentary papers on the table of the House. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju introduced the Family Court Amendment Bill. Earlier, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha paid homage to former Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, ex-United Arab Emirates President and Abu Dhabi ruler Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and Kenya's third president Mwai Kibaki. The Shillong Cantonment Board (SCB) on Monday